So finally Redmi 6 Pro has been launched in China, and again it is a great device. Comes with the Snapdragon 625 with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, and in the camera segment it comes with a 12 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera with a flash, and there is no flash in the front camera, and in the other hand you will also get all the important sensors as well. And the sad news is it is not coming to India, as they have already launched too many smartphones in this price range. So hope for the best, and let's see what Xiaomi can do in the upcoming days. Anyway, it's me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.